I do not rush, I do not chase. I wait inside the narrow space between the breath you try to steal and what your lungs refuse to feel. I am not fear, I am not pain. I am the end of trying again. No blade, no fire, no open wound, just air that will not come too soon. Your body knows before your mind. There is no door you did not find.
You cannot breathe.
The world grows scared.
I do.
I never will.
Cannot breathe.
No prayer, no plea. Your chest obeys, not you but me.
No air.
No sound.
No air.
No sound. I lean in softly without weight. The room accepts its final state. Your strength becomes a useless art. Your will dissolves before your heart. I take no life, I make no claim. I only finish what began. The breath was never truly yours. It always waited in my head. You count the seconds like a sin. I count the moments closing in.
You cannot breathe.
The dark is near. Why they were here.
Cannot breathe.
No force, no fight. The body kneels before the night. Struggle if you must, it feeds the lie. The motion keeps you from goodbye. Stillness is the final law. I am the calm you cannot draw.
Let go.